Hi, my name is Chelsea Vargason, and I am the packaging engineer for our grocery teams here at US Foods. Let's discuss responsibly sourced paper for our products and packaging. Forest Stewardship Council, or FSC, and Sustainable Forestry Initiative, or SFI, are third-party certifications that US Foods and our vendors use to verify claims for forest-based products for exclusive brand products that fall into our Serve Good program. The FSC's mission is to promote environmentally sound, socially beneficial, and economically prosperous management of the world's forests. The FSC uses a set of 10 principles and 57 criteria that suppliers are audited against, including components such as efficient use of the forest resources, conserving biological diversity of the forest, a clear management plan with long-term objectives, and respecting Indigenous peoples' rights. SFI is a solutions-oriented sustainability organization that collaborates on forest-based conservation and community initiatives that demonstrate and enhance our shared quality of life while providing supply chain assurances through standards, data, and authentic stories. SFI standards promote sustainable forest management in North America and responsible procurement of forest products. Suppliers are required to undergo annual surveillance audits by independent and accredited certification bodies. The standards address core sustainability issues such as measures to protect water, biodiversity, and wildlife habitats, recognizing and respecting Indigenous peoples' rights, and ensuring raw materials come from legal and responsible sources. You can find more information on these organizations by visiting their websites.